Hi guys, welcome back. If you're interested in how I turned these earrings into a refrigerator magnet, please stay tuned. Thanks guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. If you are a return subscriber or a watcher, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your time. Alright, so today's project will literally take us less than 5 minutes to make. Alright, so we are creating some refrigerator magnets using earrings from the beauty supply store. Alright, so these earrings are outlined with the African continent. Alright, so we're going to turn these earrings into a magnet, alright, because we gotta represent for Black History Month. And what a quick and easy and simple way to display unity and display our heritage. Very quick, fun idea. But if you have another idea where you're turning some earrings into something, I would love to see what you have, what you created, or what some of your ideas are. But for right now, I'm going to show you some of the things that we need. Okay, again, these are $1 from Beauty Supply. Then we have our roll of magnet. I can't remember where I purchased this from, but I want to say either Amazon or Walmart. I had this for some time. But if you don't have the roll, you can also use the little strips that they purchase. You can purchase at Dollar Tree as well. They do have these at Dollar Tree. And then we have our glue gun. Then I have my wire cutter. You know, I'm not using my nails, right? All right, so we have to use the wire cutter to detach. So we're going to use our wire cutter to detach this from the actual earring. Okay. All right, and that's it. All right, so if you're interested, please keep watching. And if you're not interested, keep watching. All right, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Help your girl out. I'm trying to grow my channel, but I appreciate you spending time with me. All right, guys, enough of me talking. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so now we are using a wire cutter to detach the ear wire from the back of the earring. Me searching for the scissors. Our magnet. Remember, you can also purchase this at Dollar Tree. I also want to say, make sure you have your favorite music in the background so you can jam out. Alright, so now you just want to size up your magnet, and then we'll use our glue gun to attach the magnet to the back of the earring. Yes, guys, this is really simple to make. Look at that. Voila. That's it. That's literally it, guys. Repeat the steps for the second earring. I would love to hear and see some of your ideas. If you could tag me your videos, let me know what you created. I wanted to do something for Black History Month. is one of several projects. Voila, it's done. I love that red. All right, guys, here we go. These are magnets. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.